Eating for optimal health. Welcome to Eating for Optimal Health. In this video, we're diving into the world of salmon and uncovering the remarkable health benefits it offers. So if you're looking to boost your overall well-being, keep watching as we explore why salmon deserves a place on your plate. Salmon is often hailed as one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, and for good reason. Omega-3s are essential for our bodies and play a crucial role in brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. Regular consumption of omega-3s, like those found in salmon, has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. But it's not just about omega-3s. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. The protein content, combined with the healthy fats in salmon, makes it a satisfying and nourishing option that can keep you feeling full and energized. Salmon also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B vitamins, selenium, and potassium. Vitamin D is particularly important for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. And guess what? Just a serving of salmon can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin D needs. If you're looking to boost brain function and cognitive health, salmon should be on your menu. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, especially docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are vital for brain development and maintenance. These fats support cognitive function, memory, and even mood regulation. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and here's where salmon shines again. The omega-3s in salmon possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Incorporating salmon into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. You can bake, grill, or even enjoy it raw as sushi or sashimi. Whether you're a seafood enthusiast or just beginning to explore the world of fish, adding salmon to your meals a couple of times a week can have a profound impact on your health. So, there you have it, the remarkable benefits of including salmon in your diet. From supporting heart and brain health to reducing inflammation and providing essential nutrients, salmon truly is a superfood that can contribute to your journey of optimal health.